Hi y'all, I'm Allison. Welcome to the Mighty Boot Show. Today we've got a new collection spread and it's getting ready to file the federal taxes. So here in the US, our taxes are due April 15th, and every year when I sit down to do mine, besides being nervous about making a mistake, I always find myself having to stop to track down a form or to get some other little piece of information that I need. So I am setting up a little checklist to make sure I have everything I need and hopefully prevent my having to scrounge around while I'm in the middle of trying to fill out this wonderful government paperwork. So our taxes are quite complicated, and these companies mail in all the forms, and they come at different times throughout the month of January and February. Now, I already have all of mine, so these received lines, it's more of a reminder for next year when I set this page up. Then I can put in the date. They typically all come at a pretty set time each month. So, like, I know the health savings account one is typically the last document to come in. So that's why I wanted the date on when they're received. And these are some miscellaneous questions that I need to make sure I can address properly whenever I'm filling out the form. I do our taxes with TurboTax. And then the most important thing that everybody's concerned about is when will the refund come? So again, I've got a little spot for all of these dates. So next year I can know, hey, if I file by February 15th, this is about how long it'll take to get my money in the bank. Now, you'll notice I did pencil marks for like bank names and company names, and that's simply because, there's a limit on how much stuff you want to put out on the internet. So I'm going to go in later with the pen and write in the names of those companies. And this year I expect it to be a little bit more confusing. We refinanced our house last year, so I have 3 different documents on mortgage interest. So we had 2 mortgages last year, and we got it refinanced into one. So lots of extra papers, and also one at the slot machine. So I got to make sure I file that correctly. I don't want Uncle Sam coming after me later. So now I'm curious. Like I mentioned, U.S. our taxes are very confusing. So TurboTax is a great help, but I wonder about other countries. Is it more simplified? Do y'all have to do all of this, or is it pretty much kind of like a straight percentage? So let me know down in the comments, if you have to go through these hoops and nightmares that we Americans do, or if your tax system is easier to deal with. All right, y'all, so here it is. I made it as pretty as I can considering the subject. I hope you get some ideas out of this, and my next video, hopefully tomorrow, will be setting up next week, which will be another variation of my Valentine's theme. So have a great day, y'all. I hope everybody's prepared to do their taxes, and I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.